the examiner doesn't say anything at all, you just assume they want you to go straight. Okay, so the triangles painted on the ground over here, that's where you would stop. Complete stop before here. 1 foot to the sidewalk, and now you can continue going. You just got to make sure they're out of the roadway. The lights are still flashing, but that's okay. There's no pedestrians left in the crosswalk. And so I'm scanning behind us here. We see the white van. He's going to be passing us. As soon as he passes you, we'll go ahead and make a left lane change. They may not ask you to make a left lane change. They'll leave it up to you. We're going straight at the lights, and it's best to make the lane change after you cross the crosswalk back there, so that you don't get trapped in this right lane. It ends at the intersection. See how it ends over here, right? So you want to make your lane change well ahead of time, so you don't end up getting trapped in this little part right here. That's a big pothole back there. So if you're okay in this lane, staying in this lane, we're going to turn left at the roundabout.